Gadgets have become an essential part of daily life. Advancements in technology have given us more control over the tasks that we encounter each day. There used to be a time where people only had limited choices, but today, there are unique gadgets for almost anything that you need. It's remarkable to be able to look back and discover how quickly the tech industry evolved. Gadgets started out as items that were either bulky, expensive, and lacking in features. Only the eccentric and the filthy rich could afford to mess around with them. Thankfully, experts and engineers are one step ahead and realize the untapped potential of technology, and the market now has a broad set of options for everyone. Our mission in this video is to provide you with a comprehensive list of awesome gadgets and toys for men who love the latest tech. So sit back and watch the video all the way through to the end so you don't miss this amazing list of gadgets every man should have. Let's start the list with the insanely cool-looking Gravistar Mars Pro Bluetooth speaker. This is such a fascinating desk accessory that nearly everyone who sees it will be drawn to. It looks like it came right out of a sci-fi movie. It has a zinc alloy metal body and 3 foldable legs. There are also some control buttons and a touch volume slider on the top. However, as cool as the Mars Pro's body may be, it's the LEDs that really steal the show. Although Gravistar claims there are 6 altogether, there are actually as many as 17 if you include the areas that have individual lighting. The LEDs also change colors. You can choose between red, green, 2 warm shades of blue, a warning sign amber, or a psychedelic purple. If you can't decide, there is a mode that switches between all of them continuously and another mode that causes them to pulse in time with your music. The Mars Pro is a one-of-a-kind, exquisitely detailed gadget that will give any man planet-sized pride of ownership every time he looks at it. Who doesn't love drones? They are great for trips, weddings, events, and pretty much anywhere else you want to take stunning aerial photos that you can keep forever. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is one of the best you can get right now. It weighs just 249 grams, which is less than a can of soup. Due to its weight, it is also generally not required to be registered. Additionally, the arms can be folded away easily, leaving you with a portable machine that fits in your palm. With its 48 megapixel camera, you can take a lot of professional quality images. This also makes it a great tool for high-quality videos, especially when combined with the 4K 60 frames per second resolution. It is also so simple to use, which makes it a fantastic option for beginners who want to start a hobby of taking photos of breathtaking views. Another amazing gadget for men is the Maxima 8-outlet power station, which is a heavy-duty, multifunctional device that offers much more than a typical power strip. With the push of a button, this powerful workstation transforms your workspace by adding outlets, USB ports, and more lighting. Any office, shop, warehouse, garage, or basement would benefit greatly from having one of these. It can be mounted on a wall or used as a standalone unit with the included end caps. The strong work lights can be adjusted up and down 90 degrees and produce a total of 1,000 lumens of 6,000 K daylight, providing you with the ideal amount of brightness for your workspace. Additionally, the device has a phone cradle where you can place your smartphone to rest while it charges, or just keep it safe while you work. This device is a must-have, don't you think? It's going to get colder outside soon, and you'll soon start enjoying your favorite wintertime activities. We're talking about skiing, ice fishing, sledding, and hobbies. Of course, in order to truly enjoy these fun activities, and those that aren't so fun, like shoveling, you'll need the best gear to keep you warm, such as a good winter coat, winter boots, and a pair of fleece-lined leggings. Additionally, if your hands and fingers tend to become too cold when wearing regular gloves, you should look for the best heated gloves you can find. This is where the A-Smart battery heated gloves come in. The A-Smart heated glove is the first fully smart glove ever created. The gloves have a waterproof design, 3 different heat settings, automatic and manual switching, and an infrared sensor for automatic control if necessary. The heated glove also has heated wires woven into its interior that are linked to a battery. However, you don't need to be concerned about being shocked or exposed to any wires because they are absolutely safe to use. Next up is the Gerber Gear Lockdown Multi-Tool. The Lockdown is a small, portable tool that can handle a wide variety of everyday tasks. There are 2 versions available, the Pry and the Drive. Each model has some secondary implements integrated into the body, as well as 4 primary implements that fold out from the body via a thumb stud and lock in place with a liner lock. Some of the primary tools are similar, The pry and drive both have a 2.5-inch long plain edge blade, a sizable file with a sharpened chisel end, and a replaceable X-Acto blade. The pry has a pair of scissors, while the drive has an awl, making that the main difference between the two. The pocket clip on both lockdown models is identical and is a bent steel spring clip that is designed for deep carry. It is secured to the body with 2 horizontal screws and is housed in a milled relief that helps prevent the clip from rotating. Both tools are extremely portable for multi-tools, which is especially impressive given how uncomfortable multi-tools are to carry around. Everyone requires backup power for their device, and the Anker 737 power bank ensures that you always have plenty of it on hand. With its 24,000 mAh battery, it can recharge the iPhone 13 up to 5 times, and it has Active Shield 2.0 and Power IQ 4.0 to prevent overheating and help it run as efficiently as possible. The device also has two-way charging, which makes it easy to charge it up and transfer power to your mobile devices. The digital display also helps to see how much power is still on the device, as well as how much is needed to fully recharge each of the gadgets connected to its multiple USB ports. It can charge up to 3 devices simultaneously, and up to 7 times faster than other devices thanks to its 140-watt capacity. The best part is that it is portable and light enough to be carried wherever you go. Restless? Having trouble focusing? Playing with fidget toys is a great way to manage anxiety, and one of the best on the market is the Star Soldier Luminous Alloy Fidget Spinner. The surface metal color of this fidget spinner is electroplated, and it is made of all alloy material. The surface is delicate and smooth, and every detail is CNC precision machined, making it more comfortable to hold. The bearing is an imported silent bearing specifically made for fidget spinners, which is stable and noiseless and has a longer rotation time. The fidget spinner is equipped with 9 light grooves, which significantly helps with the DIY aspect. 3 different color light emitting strips can be mixed and matched to create a variety of rotating effects. It also glows after absorbing light, and the nighttime rotation effect looks even cooler. We are aware of how annoying it can be to not have a clean shave after traveling for an interview, meeting, or other event. Also, carrying a trimmer is inconvenient, not only because of its size, but also because of the inconvenience of transporting its charger. Fortunately, the device in question solves both of these issues. Meet the Philips Series 9000 Prestige Beard Trimmer. With its stainless steel body and built-in metal comb, the durable device looks and feels more sophisticated. It also offers a much closer shave than a flimsy plastic guard and is highly adjustable in length. Additionally, the device is wireless and only needs 5 minutes to charge for 1 session. Every man deserves this trimmer, without a doubt. Even if you have all the expensive, flashy technology, making good coffee is always a complex challenge. That's one of the main reasons Sage puts so much effort into the new Sage Barista Express Impress. Basically, it's a coffee maker that adapts your preferences and helps you choose the best method for the beans you brought home. The first step is to insert your portafilter into the holder and press grind. Next, you pull the built-in tamp down on a lever, which presses and twists with a weight of 10 kilograms to distribute the grind evenly. You'll see a green smiley face if you've put the appropriate amount in there. No problem if the light indicates you're under, simply press grind once more and the machine will fill it to the proper level. This one is a game changer for coffee lovers. Another great gadget every man would definitely love to have is the amazing Nothing Ear Stick. The earbuds market currently offers nothing like these incredibly unique earbuds. They have a cool design and are loaded with features. First of all, thanks to Clear Voice technology, these earbuds likely have the best microphone available. They also come with a strong battery that provides up to 29 hours of backup. These earbuds are also extremely durable, thanks to their IP54 dust, sweat, and water resistance rating. Additionally, the Nothing app gives you complete control over how your music is played and lets you set different preferences for each ear. You should get one of these right away to improve your audio. The last but not least gadget on our list is the Physics Draft Pour Beer Dispenser. This is the perfect item to buy or give as a gift to a true beer enthusiast due to its convenience. The design is incredibly straightforward. Twist and insert your preferred chilled can or bottle, and then use the tap to pour a perfect pint. The product also claims to have microfoam technology, which essentially means that after pouring most of your beer with the tap facing you, you can push it away to deliver a smooth, fine foam, creating a creamy head. The device is very portable, and if there isn't much kitchen space, it could easily be left on the counter or tucked away in a cupboard. The dispenser can serve 1 person or 2 if you use a 650 milliliter bottle and smaller glasses. However, switching cans or bottles is very simple, making it easy to serve around. This also gives you the chance to offer a variety of beers or cider, which a larger keg does not. This is Tech Groupies, and we hope you enjoyed our list of gadgets that all men should have. For more amazing videos like this one, please subscribe to our channel and smash that notification bell. See you next time.